Hey, it's Joe, and this is my next project.
Rock and Roll Mike ended up with another guitar he bought off the internet. This one, a man named Kuntz, out of Atlanta, Georgia, I believe, somewhere around Atlanta, Georgia, has built these, and it's a kind of a hybrid between a solid body and a hollow body. And it's a plastic back, a thick plastic back, and he formed a hollow body, but the nut was crooked. The nut up there by the neck, the bone piece, which is really not bone, it's plastic, was tilted. And I got to take care of Mike. Everything's got to be right, so we're going to take the nut off and sand it flat, epoxy it back on, get it back where he can rock and roll. It wasn't a big job. The nut itself was flat. It's just hard seeing that close and dealing in those close tolerances. And so I did a lot of it with the lighted magnifying glass. Sand it a little bit, brush off all the little loose particles. Now this nut, I wasn't sure whether it was square or not, so I had a little square template. Once you stick it up through there, yeah, like that. And it's pretty square. Well, and then is it flat through here? Yes, I believe it is, and got to be careful. I don't want to get glue all over the finish and don't want to get any glue down on the rod. So we want to spare the glue and spoil the rod. And what's happening? Something like that. Anyway, it's going to fit on there just like that. How about a little 5-minute epoxy? How about an inch of the blue and an inch of the red? Very good. Mix them both together. See, he reminds me. And we just want to put a little bit on there where it doesn't slop out. All right, a little bit, little bit, little bit. Good. And the placing of the nut will magically jump out there. The gravitational pull of the glue. Should happen. Look at there. And then for that does slop out, we'll pick all that off there. Up. Got to keep that on there straight. That's it. Remove the tape. Put the little cover back together. Get it back over where Mike can rock and roll. Yeah, I can hear it now.
Is that funny?
That's perfect.
I hope you enjoyed watching as much as we enjoyed making it. If you did, tell your friends and subscribe. It's important.